Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now in this video, I gotta address a YouTube Shorts video that I did, and apparently it offended a couple people, right? Not too many, but a couple people, and I was like, yo, I wasn't gonna do it, but damn it, I got time today. All right, so anyway, in the YouTube Shorts that I made, I basically said, hey, I got a good question. I said, how is it that people that don't have money to pay for online training systems or starting their own online business, the people that don't have money to do that are the same people that can buy scratch off tickets and lottery tickets, right? So when I did that YouTube Shorts, I had a couple people like, what you saying? Oh, you're not even in reality here. Somebody even said I was Biden. How the hell you get Joe Biden from that statement, right? You got people that was just saying like, bro, you don't even, the economy, and you don't know, some people don't got money anyway. Like, okay, God damn it, people, listen, all right? What I'm saying is the video is for people who search online for make money online opportunities, right? Or people that want to start their own online business. And the people complain a lot of the time. They complain because they're like, I don't have any money, right? I like this training, I like this course, but I don't have, $25 to get started, right? I don't have, a $97 startup, fee to start my own online business, right? Stuff that can actually make you money in return. A lot of people, they say they just don't got it, right? But the same people can then turn around and they'll go, buy $20 worth of scratch off tickets or lottery tickets, right? So I had somebody else comment on that video and they was like, yeah, really? $1 to $5 for lottery tickets versus a $300 training, right? First of all, who the hell do you know only buy one lottery ticket or one scratch off ticket in their life? So when you say $1 versus $5, that's stupid, because I'm talking about, once again, most people who buy scratch off tickets, they buy them all the time. It's a weekly thing, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, you play the lottery, you buy 5 lottery tickets a week. Am I lying? No, right? So people, and I understand, I get it. It's YouTube. People like to just disagree to disagree, but you know what the hell I'm saying. I'm talking about people who complain about, oh, I want to make 6 figures online, but I don't want to know if I see an opportunity, but it costs for training, right? Or it costs to start in this opportunity. They're like, I ain't got it. Even a domain name. People are like, shit, I ain't got $10. Nope, I ain't buying no domain name. No, I can't buy an autoresponder. It's $30 a month, right? These people, that's who I'm talking about, right? If you're a person who's looking for make money online opportunities, right? And you really are looking for free ways to do that, look at my channel. I talk about free ways to make money online. Just look at the channel. But if you're complaining, you say, I don't have money to put into a system, right? I don't have money to start this online business opportunity, right? That's fine. I get it. Everybody's struggling. Everybody struggled before, right? I get it, right? All I'm saying is, if you're one of those people who are saying that, you're dead serious about making money online, getting started, but you just don't have the means, all I'm saying is, you shouldn't be turning around buying dumb shit, right? Lottery tickets and scratch off tickets. If you're saying that, I want to make money online, but I just don't got the funds, right? That's all I'm saying. And people know what I'm saying, but it's just cooler to say dumb shit underneath videos, just, because somebody else was like, yeah, but we don't need to buy courses from shit that I could just look up online and learn myself. Okay, so with that theory, so you're saying, oh yeah, and they're saying, oh, everything's a scam and online entrepreneur lifestyle, putting that shit in quotes, right? Online entrepreneur lifestyle promotes nothing but stuff that only interests yourself or only benefits you. Okay, well, if I sell you a course, right, that teaches you how to go make money, yeah, that benefits me, but wouldn't it also benefit you if you actually took action and applied the shit that you learned in the course, right? Wouldn't that benefit you, YouTube silhouette person, right? Like, and then for the person that said, oh, yeah, you know, I could learn all this stuff on free. I don't need to pay for a course. And that's why masterclass, we all heard of masterclass, what the celebrities and gurus actually, you know, charge, right? You can actually pay to learn what they have to offer, or Udemy, right? Where you can actually buy online courses. So what's that? Why do I need Udemy? Why do I need masterclass? Like, why? If you could just, you know what I'm saying? With that theory, of course you can look stuff up online, of course. But these systems are supposed to be compacting everything. These training courses, all they do is put stuff together in an easy to understand, rhythmic, you know what I'm saying, easy to learn way. That's what courses are, right? And once again, I'm doing this video because, like I say, I just want to get this out. But it's like people are just so ignorant. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're going to watch a video talking about, you know what I'm saying, making money online or whatever, and being so skeptical and negative, you know what I'm saying? Because I make money online. So when all these people talk that just stupid, it's like, come on now. Come on now. Like, you know what I meant. People know when you watch that video what I'm saying. But then you got people who just, yeah, but the economy, yeah, we know, right? You know what I'm saying? Oh, everything's a scam and entrepreneur. Okay. All right. The question is, what the hell are you doing? You know what I'm saying? So for everybody who, you know, a lot of people probably didn't see that shorts, but you could look at it. So for everybody who got offended from that video of the question that I asked, everybody that got offended,